pala yung nakaon.
Hindi ka. Sayang tayo nagkakadaldal dyan. Ayan, on na po.
Ayan, nakaon na.
Ayan na, malapit na
Cherry
yung dalawa.
Papoy.
Ah, thank you. Ayan, may sign.
Ayan pa. The bunso ng mga papoy. Bunso ko na. At ayun na nga guys, nandito kami sa ikapitong bundok. Ikapitong bundok.
Kapitong bundok. Go ka din! Hoy, din kayo!
At dahil dyan, merong may dalawang darating. Ayun.
Dalawang darating. Ayan yung ano namin.
Dito kami sa...
Papalapit na yung dalawang
Silangan
darating na
Heights.
nakagulupong payong. Habang papalapit
Ang
sila.
ingay niya guys. Ay, dyan ba? Dyan?
Kung man lang kami tinawag,
Ay,
dyan
dyan.
pala. Tayo.
Ay! Ganda ka po. Hi!
Hi!
Ang pangalan niyo? Hello!
AJ!
Ha? Ikaw? Ikaw? Hello!
Hello!
Wala puro buo.
Wala kami mga pera.
Ayan, yun yung...
A few moments later.
Nakabidyo kasi ako. Nag-message sa kanila sa akin.
No, it's not my imagination or a part of this orchestration. Love is such an annihilation. Like you're gonna be.
Wala ka na din. Doon na, James.
She's the star.
Dinay ko lang. Sabi ko lang, sabi ko. Kala ko picture. Pero kaya ako na ako eh.
No, it's not my imagination or a part of this orchestration. Love is here in the coronation. I'm the king, for the feel of heart. Yeah, I live in love forever. Enemies that we made together. For a night out of faith never.
Okay na? Medyo.
No, it's not my imagination or a part of this orchestration. Love is not my coronation. I'm the king, I'm the queen of heart.
Nakalag ka ba? Hindi mo ako baka kasi lumubi. Malamang.
Magbibidyo yan siya.
Oo. Ay, gano'n?
Ayun na yan, talaga yung nakakatayo.
Dito ko na ako. Take it to your heart.
Yung invite colors, makakapit may blood.
Take me to you. Show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love. All the stars are bright. Every wish is stars tonight. Ayun.
Pero araw na lang ito na
Here goes the way. Trust and love to fade. Find it not too late. Nothing wrong stand. Never let him go. They will never know the ways of love. Have to believe in I did. Tell me how people find each other in the world that's full of strangers. Got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. I will never know why I need you so. I need to know, is this real? And if we care, we were born to share this dream.
Next time na lang.
Let's believe in magic. Tell me how the people find each other. In the world that's full of strangers, we got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how the people find each other. In the world is full of strangers, we got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Tell me how the people find each other. Oh, world is full of strangers, we got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Don't skip here.
Let's get out. Skip. Ayan, ay, pwede yun na yan. Hindi, kaya may mag-ibig. Ay,
Walang hindi kakayanin.
kakayanin natin. Magaling tayo na mas makayanin natin.
Uy, tandaan nyo yan si Ma'am Shippy. Magdalagyan ko 90 years old. Paano ka pag naggabi ka lang shoutout? 90 years old.
I must be crazy now. Maybe I think too much. I will. I love to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words of all us time. Words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back the very first time I saw you. And I whispered these words you would hear by my side. Please say you love me. Please be honest. Our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. Till the end of
Yung parang kinakausap mo na.
I finally find to walk right out at my party. Just like a pleasant time.
Ay, dalawa yung video natin. Tingnan mo kasi yung style of it.
This is me. I hope this find a way into your heart. It's sad. It's sad. I love you. Yes, I love you. This is love. You could change my life forever. And I promise we'll always be together till the end of time. And maybe I need a little love. And maybe I need a little care. And maybe you. Oh, yeah. If you do, just reach out. And I'll be there. Please say you love me. Please say you love me. Love.